Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss about something which everybody wants to learn. And that one thing is that how we can make money from our AI, right? Uh, so everybody's learning AI and they're creating some stuff on AI, right? But at the end of the day, what is the end goal? The end goal is learning. At the same time, you want to earn also, right? So learning with earning. So how learning with earning is possible with AI, right? Is only possible when you are able to use your creative skills through AI and then sell it to the clients. Okay, so before we start today's video, let me show you something which I have created, and then I'll be explaining you step by step process that how you can create it through AI, right? And it's absolutely free. You do not need to pay anything. So let's begin. So let me show you some videos. For example, let me show you this one. So you can see how creative it is, right? You can see a Burj Khalifa, you can see the brand Coca-Cola over here, right? Let me show you another one. You can see McDonald's and Eiffel Tower, right? Uh, Let me play it again for you, right? It's a very creative way. And let me show you something on CGI now, like this one. You can see the brand Coca-Cola, and it's really creative. It's a CGI advertisement, right? Which you have created, and it has been created completely through AI, right? And in very simple steps also. Let me show you one more. Look at this one from the brand X. Okay, so all these stuff can be easily created through AI, and you can easily reach out to any client, or you can reach out to any local store nearby you, and you can charge for these kind of advertisements, which I'm going to teach you through in this particular video. And all the prompts and all the details of this video will be available on our WhatsApp community. So make sure that you join our WhatsApp community, and the link will be in the description. Okay, so let us begin step by step process. So my first step would be to collect a picture of a brand, any brand. Okay, so let's pick up a brand. Let's say it took Fanta. Okay, very popular drink. So let me take this one. Okay, and I'll teach both the steps to you, although the steps are quite similar, but I'll still teach you both, like CGI one also and the other one also. So I can simply snip this picture from here. Okay, so I have my picture ready. I'll copy this picture and I'll go to Gemini. Okay, because first step is to generate image. Okay, so first step is to snip the brand logo or anything whichever you want, and then you go to Gemini, you go to new chat, you can upload that picture over here. So I've uploaded that picture over here, and now you have to write a prompt, right? And my prompt would be something like this. So the prompt says that a hyper realistic cinematic close up of the uploaded product, shown image and dominant with the crisp texture, glossy reflection, and natural lighting above the product, shiny metallic helium balloons up from the text. And now you can enter. I have written over Coca-Cola. You can change it to Fanta, because now the brand is Fanta. In the bold reflecting balloon letters, the balloon colors matches the primary color of the product, tied firmly with the elegant satin ribbons and content. And in the background, the iconic. Now you can use any. For example, I have used Burj Khalifa. You can use any other landscape which you want to use. For example, I want to use a White House. Okay, and now clearly visible and detailed under bright. So this is my prompt. Simply add this prompt, and I'll post this prompt in the document in our community. So make sure that you can join the community and collect that. Okay, and then just press enter and wait for the new image which you will get from here. Okay. Okay, so it is generating image, and now you can see the White House, you can see the brand Fanta written on the balloon. Everything looks fine over here. Let's download this image. So our this step is over. Now it's time to go to a new tool which is called as PixVerse. It is very famous tool, and you can go and every day you get around like 60-70 credits in this, so you can make 4-5 videos very easily. Okay, so I'll come here and I'll go to PixVerse home screen, and now here I can create, go to video, and in the video you can simply add your image which you have just downloaded. Okay, so this was my image, so I will add the image over here, and now I will write my prompt. So this would be my prompt, and my prompt clearly says over here that create a hyper realistic animation of the uploaded product and the text balloon floating away in the sky. The product and the balloon should move slowly and gently swaying in the lift of the wind, and add natural flooding. So I've given a complete details about the ribbon, about the balloon, what action I expect. So do watch my last video which I posted on Google View, where I explained everything for writing prompts for generating videos. Okay, so I'll write this simple prompt, and don't worry about the prompt. I'll be providing it in the community. I'll click on create, and my it starts creating. Okay, and it is very fast also. This tool is very fast, and you can create a lot of different kinds of advertisements. So it has created this one. I'll just click on this one, and so you can clearly see over here that our advertisement is ready. Although this is just of a 5 second, we can easily generate more similar kind of shots and create different types of advertisement into it. And I created a very similar one also with the help of Coca-Cola, right? So this is the process, right, for this one. Now let's move on, and I'll also teach you that how you can create the CGI advertisements, right, which I created for Axe and Coca-Cola, right? So for that one, I'll go to, so again, the process will be same. I have to go to my image section, and I have to take an image of any brand. So I can take an image of Mountain Dew, let's say. Okay, so I can take a bottle image of Mountain Dew. This one looks nice. Rather than bottle, let's take up one for can. I guess can one look much better. So let's take up this one. Let's crop this image. Okay, so our image is ready. Let's go to Nano Banana. So we'll go to Gemini again. I'll include that image over here. And now I have to add my prompts. Okay. So first of all, I would like to tell you something, that for this advertisement CGI one, I have created like 10 different shots. So, and I'll create this, I will upload this document for you in the community, which will be very helpful. So you can use this document and you can create these kind of CGI advertisements. Okay. So let's take up any of these ones. Let's say I like this one. I'll simply copy this, and I'll go back to my Gemini. So I'll go back to Nano Banana, and I'll post this prompt over here. I'll click on enter. So it will give me the image which I'm looking for, the CGI image for this particular product. Okay, that's our first step. In fact, second, because we snipped it first and then this is the second step. Okay, so I can clearly see my image is ready. I can download this image now, and I'll go to PixVerse again, and again I'll go to video. Okay, and for this one again I'll upload my new image which I just downloaded, and that image was this one, the Mountain Dew one. And I will write a very simple prompt this time. Even I don't need anything. I'll simply write people are moving and vehicles in the image. If you want to add a camera shot, you can angle of a camera, you can also add it. Okay, so I have added it in my document sheet also, so let me pick it up from there. So my angle are moving, and then I'll give my angle shot over here, and my angle shot clearly says that close up low angle single shot, making the product appear even more colossal and intimidating. Okay, simple. And then now I'll click on create, and PixVerse takes around like 20 credits for every video which you will make for 5 seconds. Okay, and I have like created a lot of them. Like I created an animation also in this one. It's a good tool. And okay, so our advertisement is ready. Let me show you. Let me go and play it again. So you can see So in the ad you can clearly see it's a close-up shot, people are moving. uh, it's a perfect CGI advertisement for a brand, right? And you can create different shots from the document which I'll provide you. I have created more than 10 different shots for this one, and every shot has a different angle, different setup, so that will help you to create CGI advertisements. Okay. So I hope you learned how you can make CGI advertisements, as well as the other one which I taught you earlier. Simple tools which I have used is Nano Banana and PixVerse. You can also create it through Google View, but I guess as compared to the Google View, PixVerse was giving me much better result in this one. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will enjoy this one. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe it, and we'll be meeting in the next video very soon. Bye bye.